In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive someone on Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and start off on the messages screen right here and find whatever person it is that you want to remove from your chat list and archive them. Essentially, just go ahead and press and hold down on them, either their name, their Bitmoji, it doesn't necessarily matter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this though. Once you're at this page, what you need to do is select chat and notification settings, and after you do that, you need to go ahead and select clear from chat feed up at the very top. Snapchat's then going to ask you to confirm this. This will not delete any saved messages or anything already sent. It only removes the conversation from your main chat feed. Go ahead and tap clear and the person's chat will no longer show up in the messages. To find them again, just hit your profile icon. Scroll down on here, select friends, and then of course you would just search them up on here and open up the chat from there. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.